Hi, today we're going to make a spinning paper helicopter. The importance of this activity is to understand lift and how thrust resists gravity. So with our everyday helicopters, the rotating blades create a lift in our helicopters to keep it flying, but the thrust is what resists gravity to keep it from falling to the ground. Well, with our paper helicopters, we don't have thrust, and so when we do release our helicopters, it will spin as it falls to the ground. But the rotating blades do create a lift that resists gravity and slows the rate of which your helicopter falls. With that, we are the Society of Women Engineers, and the main focus of our club is to showcase that women are welcomed inside of the engineering and STEM fields. So thank you for joining me today, and have fun flying your helicopter.